Today I want to show you how to use hyperlinks. And for that, I'm just going to create a new document. And as we discussed in class, we can put a link to a map, or we can put a link to open a website. So let's say you're trying to refer someone to open Gmail. You will type a sentence first. Then you need to know the address that you're going to go to. And I'm going to make a mistake on purpose so you can see what you shouldn't do. So the first thing you're going to do is to select your sentence, and then you're going to press the Control key and the K as in Kate key. So Control K will open a menu to insert a hyperlink. You can also go Insert and then click Hyperlink. At the bottom here, you're going to type address. And let's just say for now, I want you to open google.com, and I click OK. This is a hyperlink now. And when you hover the sentence with your mouse, it says press the Control plus key to follow the link. Okay, as you can see, this email is not going to work because we forgot to put www. So if I want to fix it, I click OK. I right-click on it, and I'm going to edit my hyperlink. When I edit, I'm going to put www.google.com. When I do that, the computer automatically adds HTTP and then colon, etc. When I click OK, see what happens. I will press Control and click, and it will open google.com. But let's say I actually want to go directly to gmail.com because that's what it says in my text. In that case, I'm going to open a new tab, and I'm going to go to gmail.com. I will click sign in, and in this case, I am going to copy this information. So I'm going to select the text with a click, copy this address. So I'm going to click on it, and it becomes blue. I'm going to use my Control X to cut the text, and I'm going to go back to my Word document. So I'm back in my document, and I'm going to right-click my hyperlink so I can edit, and I'm going to paste that address that I just copied from the internet. So I will delete this address, and I will do Control V as in Victor to paste it, and then I'll click Login. If I paste it here directly, it doesn't look good. Look at this. You don't want to put all those characters, right? You just want to put a hyperlink. So when we say to open Gmail, click here. Perfect. I will press Control and click, and it will open the signing to Gmail. Okay? Just in general, you want to find the video first, and then you copy the address, and then you go to Word and type the text you want to add to your hyperlink, and you paste the address. So let's say I want to say how to insert a table in Microsoft Word. I'm going to open this video. You simply copy this address, or in this case, I'm going to cut it. And then you go back to your document and type some text, select the text, and insert a hyperlink. So hyperlink is right here. And I'm going to paste the address, and I'm going to click OK. So when I click here where it says Excel video, remember that you need to click and you need to press the Control key. It will open your video. Okay, the last thing I want to show you is how to insert a map to your document. You can add a picture, but also you can add a link, and it says for San Diego Airport, click here. When you're ready to find the map, you go to the internet, and in this case, I put San Diego Airport address, and I'm going to click map. I can select this address at the top. I can click on it, Control X to cut it. I go back to my Word document, and now I'm going to select this text, Control K as in Kate, and I paste the address here, and I click OK. I can also add a picture. Remember that when you put a picture, you need to change the wrap text, maybe to square, top, bottom, in front of text, etc. In this case, I'm just going to put in front. I'm going to move my picture, and I'm going to add the hyperlink to my picture, so when people come to my flyer, they can click on the picture and it will open the address. So for that, I click on the picture to select the picture, Control K, copy the address. So I'm just going to put Control V and then click OK. And now this photo has a hyperlink. When you save this as a PDF, for example, students will be able to click and open the links. Okay, you can see that this has the link as well. Control and click, and it opens the map. Okay, so someone asked, can you put hyperlinks within the same document? And the answer is yes, you can. And here's an example. I have a grammar lesson, and I'm going to tell the students, if you want to learn about the following topics, click on the links below. So let's say the student wants to learn about present perfect. I can highlight this text, and I'm going to send the student to that particular slide. So when I highlight my text, I press Ctrl K to insert the hyperlink. And in this case, I'm going to click place in this document. I can click first, second, next slide, but in this case, I don't remember how many slides I have. I will click exactly the title that I want to send the students to. In this case, it will be present perfect, and I will click OK. And I will do the same for everything. So for simple present, Ctrl K, I click simple present, and then I click OK. And you do the same for the following two topics. That's it for today. Bye.